So you have enriched all of your data. You have created all of your personalizations. You found all of your prospects' emails or LinkedIn's. Now it is time to send all of this data to a sequencing tool in order to actually send out the messaging. So how do we do this? Well, in Clay, they luckily have integrations with a majority of your favorite email sequencing tools. For example, SmartLead, which is the one we're going to be using in this tutorial. So SmartLead is a great email sequencing tool for a variety of reasons. First of all, you're able to track all of your campaign results. So the plant store's campaign results are right here. Promise there was positive replies. I just don't mark them. And we have our master inbox, which allows you to put together all of the campaign's responses into one unified place. We have our email accounts right here, which are all of the email accounts that I've added to my SmartLead account. Which I would highly recommend doing. It is absolutely necessary when you're using email outbound at scale to create sending accounts that are separate from your main one so you don't get blacklisted. And we have all the leads put right here, et cetera, et cetera. You get the point. So when we're going into our campaign and setting one up, it's actually very easy to do so. So all we're doing is creating a campaign. We import our leads. We create our sequence. We set up the settings, and then we review it. That is it. So when we go into the settings of the campaign that I've built for the plant store, you can see here that I have our sequence already set up. And in every place where there's a personalization variable, I have the brackets and then the name of the variable. So you can see that's all right here, completely set up. So how do I actually send the data to fulfill these personalizations? Let's go back to Clay here, and you'll see that I actually have a SmartLead integration already set up. To access this, you have to go to Add Enrichment, SmartLead, and add lead to campaign. From there, you're actually able to map out all of the different variables very easily. So the email address I threw in the email column, first name, last name, company name, and then our custom fields right here. And you have to be very careful by making the custom fields exactly the same as what the name is in SmartLead, essentially. So for mission parentheses 1 in our first email, you want to make sure it's exactly the same in Clay. From there, all you have to do is click save, and the lead will route specifically to your campaign. So you can just add them that way. Very, very easy. From there, you can go into your campaign, and if we actually go ahead and preview it in our final review section, you'll see our email right here. So congrats on the recent round to Sarah. Figure that with new team members comes new opportunities to welcome them, brand yourself. And then we have, maybe you can get employees a Pathos Marble Queen because it thrives in various conditions. And then a free plant consultation offer, just as mentioned before. So it's very important to review all of these things one by one to ensure that it actually ends up working out. You can do this with all of your leads in your Clay table to completely fill the entire campaign module yourself. And voila, you have added all of your campaigns once you click run and everything is synced perfectly to SmartLead. From there, all you have to do is click resume campaign, and boom, we have our campaign active and it is sending out emails actively. It's really just that easy. So that's how to add all that stuff to SmartLead. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.